Mailchimp versus ActiveCampaign, which is the better email marketing software? Hey guys, today I'm going to be giving you guys a concise comparison between Mailchimp and ActiveCampaign, what both of their platforms look like, and what other people on Trustpilot have to say about both of these email marketing softwares. So let's get into it. First off, let's start off by comparing the price point of both of these email marketing softwares. And first off, Mailchimp has a free version that you can use indefinitely, while ActiveCampaign does not have any kind of free version available. So in any situation, you're going to have to purchase ActiveCampaign. However, ActiveCampaign does offer a 14-day free trial in which you can send up to 100 emails to 100 contacts. But after that, you're going to have to buy any of their premium versions. Now, let's compare the prices of both Mailchimp and ActiveCampaign. Now, the cheapest version of ActiveCampaign starts at $15 and it's currently at a discount of 7.50, so it's around $8 right now. And the lowest price version on Mailchimp starts at $10. Now, ActiveCampaign is a lot more expensive than Mailchimp, but that is due to the larger variety of features and the more optimizable and customizable featured platform that they provide. Now, if we were to compare the features on their lowest priced plans, even the standard version of Mailchimp can be compared to the light version of ActiveCampaign. But if we compare the essentials, and within the essentials, we will receive email templates, multi-step journeys, custom branding, A/B testing, and 24/7 customer support. While on ActiveCampaign, we will get lead importation, sales emails, segmented outreach, leads capture form, and email autoresponders. So in general, you can view the type of features for your business. If you're leading an email marketing campaign that is business to customers, you can see you will get marketing automation, email marketing, unlimited email sending, drag and drop email builders, 125 plus email templates, send newsletter, subscription form segmentation, site and event tracking, campaign automation reporting. So in general, the light version of ActiveCampaign provides you with so much more than the essentials on Mailchimp. But if we compare it to the standard version here on Mailchimp, which will provide you custom journey builders, branching points, send time optimization, behavioral targeting, custom templates, dynamic content, then it's a close call, but still ActiveCampaign does outdo Mailchimp in even their standard version. And if you are looking for more features and you want so much more in your platform, you want more automations, you want more services, then you can opt for their Plus or Professional versions, which start at $70 and $160. Currently, everything is at a 50% discount, so right now might be the best time to purchase ActiveCampaign if you were looking to purchase your email marketing software. Now, another thing that you have to keep into consideration is you're paying for the amount of contacts you have. So the amount of people you're going to send your emails to, that is going to decrease or increase the price. So you can see we are sending, this price is based on 500 users for Mailchimp, and if we were to increase the users to 5,000, it would increase like so, and everything is going to change. So the standard version would be $80 if you were to add 5,000 contacts, and if we add 5,000 contacts over here, the light version is going to cost us $50. So it's a bit cheaper to purchase ActiveCampaign depending on the amount of people you're going to add. If it's less than 5,000, in most situations Mailchimp is going to be cheaper, but if you have a larger volume of subscribers, you're going to get a better deal on ActiveCampaign, especially right now with their 50% off discount running. Now, moving on to their platforms and what they look like. Well, this is the Mailchimp dashboard, and over here you can see all of your campaigns. If you take a look at the left side, you have your creation button, you have audience, you have campaigns, you have automations, website, studio content, integrations, and search. Now if you go into campaigns, you can see I have empty campaigns right now. And if we take a look into our email templates, and I'm going to show you guys the different templates that Mailchimp provides you for free. Now you can see you have your basic layout templates that you can choose from, or you can choose from the themed templates. Now the themed templates on Mailchimp are very, very gorgeous. I do think that these really do get the point across, and you're able to create a professional looking email without having to put in the effort or the amount of time that it takes to design something like this. And what you can do is you can pick whatever you like and you can use it. This was a premium theme. I'm gonna load up a free theme. So let's just say we're gonna open this one, and just like that you can see the blocks and the style. You can edit this according to your personal preference. The theme is loading, and once the template loads, yeah, you can see over here everything is very easy to use, and you can even view this email in your browser to get a better idea of what it's going to look like when you send it. It looks like a very, very well designed website, and even if you're someone that has no coding experience, this really does reduce your work and reduce the amount of money you're going to pay if you were planning on paying someone else to write up your HTML codes and create templates for you. So if you click on any of these blocks, you can add a text block over here just by dragging and dropping these blocks, and you can just hover your mouse over a block, and if you want to delete it, you can delete it like that. And that is how easy it is to edit a template and start sending very beautiful emails on Mailchimp. Now once you create a standard template, you can save it and then edit it according to your customer needs and resend it over and over again. Now we're going to move on to ActiveCampaign and their platform. Now the ActiveCampaign platform, I find it to be far easier to navigate as compared to Mailchimp. You can see on the left you have your getting started, contacts, campaigns, automations, deals, conversations, lists, sites, and reports. And if we move on to campaigns, you can see I'm going to click on create your first campaign, and you can get started with what kind of campaign you want. If you want it to be a split testing, if you want it to be RRS triggered, if you want it to be data-based, if you want it to be auto-responded, if you want it to be generally automated, or standard regular one-time email campaign. So this is why I prefer ActiveCampaign over Mailchimp, because Mailchimp doesn't have these features in any of its free versions, and even on its premium versions you're only going to get these features on the standard or premium, not on the essentials $10 plan of Mailchimp. You're not going to get all of these things on that. Now let's say if we want a automated campaign, we're going to add whatever name, click on next, and you can see you're going to create a automation, so you can start a trigger. So maybe if someone adds something to their cart on your website, you can add that as a trigger, and if they purchase it, you send them a thank you email. If they don't purchase it, you can send them a reminder email. If they open that email and still don't purchase that item, you can send them a $10 voucher code or a 10% discount to their email, and that is going to convert your emails into sales. And this is the feature I find most useful in ActiveCampaign alongside their different automations, because once I set this trigger, I'm not going to have to, view all of these. It's automatically going to send this email to anyone that adds a item to their cart and doesn't purchase it, and that really does reduce your workload by a lot. Now, if all that was not enough for you to convince yourself that you should opt for ActiveCampaign instead of Mailchimp, let's go on to Trustpilot and view what other people have to say. Now, if we take a look at Mailchimp, you can see Mailchimp has a 1.6 star rating and it's rated as bad here on Trustpilot. Most people face a lot of issues with Mailchimp and they feel like the software is not good at all. But if we take a look at ActiveCampaign, it has a 4.4 rating here on Trustpilot, and usually people are pretty satisfied with the services they're receiving from ActiveCampaign. And you can see this 1-star review, and what ActiveCampaign has done is that they have actually replied to this person and they have informed them that they're looking into their issue and they're going to get in touch with them to resolve their issue where they're not able to access their account. And you can see most of these reviews are positive. There are a few one-star reviews, and for all of these one-star reviews, ActiveCampaign has actively replied and answered the frustrations and issues people are facing. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and you're now able to choose the better email marketing software, and I will catch you guys in the next video.